Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Wirth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be talking about what you can do to make getting a divorce simpler on yourself and your attorney. So in the event that you are having to get a divorce, move forward with one, whether or not your spouse has filed for divorce or you yourself are going to file for it, it is important to bring information that an attorney might need in order to make the process simpler and cheaper on yourself. So information that you should bring with you would be the full names of yourself and your spouse, relatively easy to remember your name. You should know the date of your marriage and where it occurred. So a lot of people can remember their anniversary, and I'm talking about month, day, year, and again, the location of the marriage, if you can remember that. After that, we are going to be worrying about jurisdiction and venue. And what that means is for Oklahoma, we need to know that you or your spouse have resided here in Oklahoma for 6 months or longer. At that point, we need to know where you and your spouse have resided individually for the last 30 days. Once we've gotten past that, we are going to look at whether or not there are children involved in this divorce. We're going to need to know the number of children, their initials, and their date of birth. There is additional information that is vital to an attorney, such as whether or not the children are tribal, and the location, the address specifically, that the children have resided at for the last 5 years and who they have resided with in those last 5 years. If there is a child support case, for example, if you were separated for a while and you just did not file for divorce, but you opened up a child support case, your attorney is going to need to know that information as well. Once you've gotten past this information, it is important to start discussing an equitable distribution of property, which just simply means a fair distribution of property. So if you can, bring a list of things such as your marital home, your vehicles, or other big ticket items that you know for a fact are going to have to be divided. Personal items go to each individual, but those marital items can get sticky. Additionally, for child support purposes, we're going to want to know your finances. So your gross monthly income, who provides the medical insurance for the children or child. This is all very important information to bring with you to a meeting with an attorney when you are getting a divorce. If you found this to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.